So what you can also do in ChatGPT is you can utilize ChatGPT Voice Plugin. So right now, if I were to go around and say hello right here, then you just have a text response right here. But what you can also do in Chromium-based browsers, you can go around over here onto the Chrome Web Store, for example, and then go around and type in this plugin right here. Right. So I'm going to type in ChatGPT Voice right here, just like this. Once I go around and do that, you can see that there's ChatGPT control, that is voice control for ChatGPT, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see the voice control right here. Similarly, you got this as well, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and add this to Chrome right here and add the extension around over here, just like this. And that is what you have. So you can see that this is the voice control right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around and allow this right here, there's the voice control option that's added into ChatGPT. So you can see that I didn't have to restart right here, and you got the voice control around over here as well. So if I were to click on this.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
So that is how you can hear it out, as you can see right here. You can also go around and turn it off right here, or go into settings right here and choose the language. And you can also go around and see that there's punctuation and volume and rate, as you can see right here as well. You can also go around and choose the voice by detecting the language. If I were to go around and click on the microphone button right here. Hello, I'm doing well today. You can go around and click on it, and you can see that you can dictate to ChatGPT as well. Click on the send button.
That's great to hear. What's on your mind today? Anything specific you'd like to talk about or need assistance with?
So that is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the ChatGPT Voice Plugin to make it a voice command interactive. You can let ChatGPT speak as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.